Doesn't that look like fun? Exactly what's happening. I'm going to be talking about setting limits here, and sometimes you can't remember to set all the limits that you could ever think of, but this video turned out all right, so stay tuned and see exactly what I mean. Hi there, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis, and this week, as in every week, I show a little street hypnosis clip, and then after that, stay tuned and I'll talk about what you see in that clip. Actually, this week I'm talking about what I didn't do in terms of setting limits. Sometimes, as I say, you can't think of everything, so let's watch the hypnosis skit. And it's the two guys, you've seen them before. I'll put links to other videos from these two. They're great subjects, and I know they're great hypnotic subjects, so this is why I go to the next level with this little fun game. But it doesn't exactly go as planned, but all's well that ends well. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. And leave me comments. I really like to know what you think of the skit, and even know what you think of the tutorials. Are you learning stuff when I'm giving these tutorials at the end of these videos? Please watch the video right to the end and then leave me a comment in the comment section below. But first, let's watch the street hypnosis.
But on the count of three, you're going to play a clapping game. You're going to play a clapping game with each other. You know, the hand slapping game you can play. You see people play, kids play when they're kids. You're going to play a clapping game, but you will not be able to hit each other's hands. The more you try and hit each other's hands, the more gap there is, the more you miss each other's hands. Nod your head, you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. You will not hurt anyone, you'll just miss each other's hands. Nod your head. Go. And it gets funnier and funnier. And you start to have belly laughs. You start to have belly laughs at the idea of missing. And you get faster, and you get faster, and you get faster, and it gets funnier and funnier and funnier. Oh. Look at me and sleep now. Way down, deeper, 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 relaxed.
Hi there, hope you enjoyed that video. Wasn't it fun? And they were great subjects as always. So I'd given them the suggestion that they're going to play the hand slapping game. Admittedly, my description wasn't the best, but they picked up on exactly what I meant. They knew about the hand slapping game. The idea is to test your reactions of you know, slapping the other guy. Now the suggestion I put in is when they went to slap the other guy, they would miss completely. They would not be able to hit the other hand. Now, as you saw not long into that skit, one guy, in missing him, actually slapped the guy's face. I didn't think to put that safety measure in, and I think they were good friends, they understood each other, and there was no harm done there. But it's something that I didn't do that maybe I'll be doing on future skits, in the future suggestions about this skit, because, well, you know, somebody could get hurt if it was two strangers. I'd stopped. But normally in a street hypnosis setting, if two people are walking along and they say they both want to try it, well, they're good friends anyway, so it wasn't too bad. Now the other thing to notice, which was nice about this skit, is I give another waking suggestion. I say waking suggestion because their eyes were open, they weren't in the eyes closed position. So if someone's in hypnosis, it doesn't matter whether their eyes are closed or not. Normally, just as a break-up between one skit and the next, you'll see me sort of saying close your eyes and go back into hypnosis. And right at the beginning, if you watch the very first induction one, again, like I say, I'll put links to that first induction one in the info cards above. I give the suggestion that every time I say the word sleep, your eyes will close and you'll go 10 times deeper. So that's giving them an opportunity to go back deep inside and really connect with that hypnosis that's happening inside them. So you don't need eye closure, but it helps to reinforce things if you do it. So in this situation, halfway through it, because they were starting to giggle a wee bit, I said, and it gets funnier and funnier. That's a waking suggestion that I'm layering in while their eyes are open and they're halfway through that skit. So they're going to accept that as well. And as you saw, they really started to get hysterical about it. They really started to laugh, and their hands were going everywhere. But at least, again, I'd given that suggestion that you will not slap each other in the face. And that was adhered to, because as much as their hands were going everywhere, they didn't hit each other in the face again. Again, it's not a nice thing to do. Some people might do that on purpose, but it's not in my nature. Always thinking of health and safety and the good outcome of all these skits. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you learned from that you can put suggestions in as you go along, and that you got to remember and think ahead of what could go wrong with this skit, and make sure you put in safety measures along the way. I've done some other videos before where, again, I didn't fully implement as many safety measures as I should, but things usually work out. But it's better to be safe than sorry. So if you like this video, make sure, as I say, give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button so you get notified when a new video comes out. What did you think of this tip? Was it a useful tip? Did you realize that you can put waking suggestions in? Do you agree with me that I maybe should have put that in, or was it over the top? Leave a comment in the comment section below to tell me what you think. Really enjoy seeing your comments. I really enjoy responding to your comments and giving you feedback and hearing your feedback as well. So please do leave those comments. And if you want to learn hypnosis, please do connect with me, because I do tuition and teaching people how in a full hypnosis course. So please do, if you're interested in learning more, please connect with me through the description section. There's an email in there and plenty of other social media accounts where you can private message me if you want to get in touch. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and see you next week.